I never knew love could change a life until I met my wife, Emily. Before her, my days were busy but empty. I worked late, ate alone, and believed I did not need anyone. On a rainy evening in Chicago, I entered a coffee shop and found a seat across from a woman in a blue sweater. I asked if I could sit there. She smiled and said, "Only if my imaginary friend does not show up." I laughed, and that moment became the beginning of everything. We talked for hours about family, dreams, old movies, and pancakes. With Emily, I never had to pretend. She made ordinary days feel special. She remembered my fears, encouraged my dreams, and stood beside me when life became hard. One night, while eating pizza on her apartment floor, she said, "Life does not have to be perfect to be good." I looked at her and realized I was in love. 2 years later, I proposed in the same coffee shop. It was raining again. I told her, I thought I was escaping the storm that night, but I was really walking into the rest of my life. She said yes through happy tears. Marriage was not always easy. We faced bills, stress, arguments, and the day I lost my job. I felt like a failure, but Emily held my hand and said, "You lost a job, not your value." Her faith helped me start my own business and believe in myself again. Over the years, I learned that love is not only flowers, trips, or big promises. It is making coffee, sharing chores, listening after a long day, forgiving, and choosing each other again. Emily is more than my wife. She is my best friend, my safe place, and my home. When I look at her now, I still see the woman in the blue sweater who changed my world with one smile. If I could return to that rainy night, I would take the same seat, start the same conversation, and fall in love with her all over again.